Okay, same problem we are solving by using a principle of mathematical induction. This one, same continuation of that one. So the problem is what? Here, that 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 square plus so on up to what? N into 3 to the power of n is equal to 2n minus 1 to the power of 3 to the power of n plus 1 plus 3 divided by what? 4 is the question. So as we know that the rules, no, first one is what? We have to take n equal to 1, we have to check p of 1 LHS equal to RHS side, correct? Then second is what? We have to assume that we have to assume that as p of k is what? True. Then we have to prove that what? P of k plus 1 is also true, correct or not? Okay, see now first one. So I'm considering these all as what? P of n. Correct or not? We are considering that one as what? P of n. So first one, for n is equal to 1. So where you're in the place of n, we are going to put what? 1 there. So what I'll get then? P of 1, correct? So nth term is this one, n is 1, and 3 to the power of 1 is what? 3 only itself. Correct? So in the place of n, I'm going to put 1. 1 into 3 to the power of 1 is what? 3. Good. Right. 3 answer is equal to, here you check, 2 into 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is what? 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 remaining. Then check this one. 3 to the power of 1 plus 1. 3 to the power of 1 plus 1 is what? 3 square. 3 square is nothing but what? 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 by 4 is nothing but what? 3 itself. Correct or no? Yes, 12 by 4. That is what? 3 only. Correct? So it means what? LHS side is equal to what? RHS side. Therefore, P of 1 is what? P of 1 is true. Correct? Then next, we assume that what? We have to assume which one? P of k is true. P of k is true. Correct or not? Then what you have to do? Just replace in the place of n by k. Correct or not? So P of k is 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus so on up to what? K into 3 to the power of k, which is equal to 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Correct or not? Correct this one? So just in the place of n, k we are taking. Next, we have to prove that what? We have to prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. Correct? So we have to prove that what? P of k plus 1 is also true. What do you have to do? So we have to write the kth term also, no? So what should be the answer? You know that. What should be the answer? So just replace k by k plus 1. That is the answer we want here. Correct or not? That answer we want here. So can you tell me anyone what do you get the answer? P of k plus 1. So just replace k by k plus 1. That is what? 2k plus 2 minus 1 is 2k plus 1. 3 to the power of what? K plus 2 plus 3 by 4 we want the answer. Correct? So how you have to get? So just check the kth term. What is the kth term here? That is k into 3 to the power of k is there. Correct or not? Similarly, what is the k plus 1th term then? What is the k plus 1th term? Just replace k by what? K plus 1. So k plus 1, 3 to the power of k plus 1. So next step is what? We have to add this k plus 1th term to this equation 1. Correct or not? That k plus 1th term we have to add to what? Equation 1. So what we get then? 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3 to the power of 3 plus so on up to what? K into 3 to the power of k plus kth term is what? K plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1. Correct or not? We have to add on both sides, on the LHS side and RHS side. Correct? Is equal to what? 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4 plus, we have to add here also, no, RHS side also what? K plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1. Correct or not? Correct? Okay. Then we have to solve the RHS side this terms. Let's check this one. So here 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 plus 3. If I take the LCM, what is the LCM here? By 4 is there. So 4 is the LCM. Correct? Divided by 4 is there. So 4 is the LCM. You have to multiply it here. Then we get what? Plus 4 times of k plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 divided by what? 4. Correct or not? Just I added this one k plus 1th term here. Then here divided by 4 is there. 4 is the LCM. Just you multiply it this. Next step. See. In the next step, so divided by 4 I'm writing, this 3 I'm writing outside. See, in this two term, this term and this term, just to check. First term and the third term I'm telling last term, what should be a common in this two? See here, 2k minus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 is there. And plus 3 plus in the last term, 4 times of k plus 1 into 3 to the power of k plus 1 is there. Correct or not? Correct or not? So we have to take what common? 3 to the power of k plus 1. Just listen this one. 3 to the power of k plus 1 I'm going to take common. What is remaining here then? 2k minus 1. Correct or not? Then multiplied 4 to this one. What is remaining then? 4k plus 4, no? Plus 4k plus 4 plus 3. This one 3 I'm writing outside. Correct or not? From the first term and the last term, we are going to take 3 to the power of k plus 1 as a common. Remaining is what? 2k minus 1 and there 4k plus 4 plus 3 divided by what? 4. Correct? Next I'm continuing here. See, here I'm continuing this one. So this RHS side I'm writing here. Here only I'm continuing. Just check this one. So if I take this one, 3 to the power of k plus 1 is outside, no? What is remaining inside then? 2k plus 4k is how much? That is what? 6k. Correct? 2k plus 4k is what? 6k. Then minus 1 plus 4 is what? Plus 3. And this one plus 3 by 2. Correct or not? Next again I'm continuing this one only, so I'm writing here. So what is common in this two? 6k plus 3 is there, no? In this, what is common? 6k plus 3 is there. In that we can take 3 as a common. I'm taking 3 common. 3 to the power of k plus 1 into, in this 2 I'm taking 3 common. Remaining is what? 2k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4, which is equal to, we know that the loss of indices, yes, good. We have to take 3 common. That's right. Okay. If we take the loss of indices, we know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n is what? A to the power of m plus n. Correct or not? So in this 3 to the power of k plus 1 into 3 to the power of 1, no? I have to add the power. We'll get what? 3 to the power of k plus 2 into what? 2k plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. You can check the answer. As I said earlier, just in the place of, this is a p of k, no, equation. Just in the place of k, you replace k plus 1. Just check what we get then. If I put here in the place of k plus 1, what is get? 2k plus 2 minus 1. That is nothing but 2k plus 1. Correct? Here it is correct. Then here you can check 3 to the power of k plus 1 is there. 3 to the power of k plus 1 is there. In the place of k, you take k plus 1. What do you get? K plus 1 plus 1 is what? K plus 2. Correct? Plus 3 by 2. We got the p of k plus 1. Therefore, p of k plus 1 is what? True. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. If you have doubt, please ask me. So just here only you know that the answer in the P of k equation only, just replace k by k plus 1. That is the final answer. Correct or not? Yes. Nice. Okay. Got it? 3 to the power of k plus 2 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 by 4. That is a P of k plus 1. No? So therefore P of k plus 1 is what? True. Okay. In the same way, we move on to the next one problem. In the same way, we move on to the next problem. That is 1 into 3, same, huh? By using, we have to prove that by using what? Principle of mathematical induction. By using principle of mathematical induction. So 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus so on up to 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is equal to n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. So this is the question, second one. This is the second question we have to solve. It is what? 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus so on up to 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is equal to n into 4n square plus 6n minus 1 by 3. Okay. Same it is. First one is what? I'm taking this one as what? P of n. Correct or not? I'm taking that one as what? P of n. Okay. After that, move on to the first case. For what? N is equal to 1. Correct or not? N is equal to 1. So that become P of 1. So in the nth term, you put 1. What do you get the answer? 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Correct? Similarly, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 1 into 3 will get. Correct? That is nothing but 3, which is equal to, now you substitute here that one. Good. Right answer, 3. So substitute in this equation. What do you get the answer? Anyone tell me? So here 1. Here 4 plus 1 square is 1 only. So 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but what? 3. Good. 9 by 3 is, so that is LHS side is equal to the RHS side. So we can write P of 1 is true. Correct? In the same way, we move on to what? We have to assume that what? We have to assume that P of k is true. When? For n is equal to k. It means the given equation is there in that, replace n by k. So we get a P of k. P of k is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus so on up to what? 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1, which is equal to k into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. Correct? Just to replace n by k. That is the case. So I'll give it equation number 1. Okay. So next, what do you do? We have to assume, no? We prove that what? We have to prove that P of k plus 1 is also true. Correct? P of k plus 1 is also true. So I have to prove that one. So we have to write the kth and k plus 1th term, no? We have to add that one. So kth term is this one. Kth term is 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1. So can you tell me, anyone, what is the k plus 1th term then? Yes, right? if you replace k by k plus 1, 2k plus 2 minus 1, that is nothing but 2k plus 1 into, next replace k by k plus 1, will get 2k plus 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 2k plus 3. Correct. Right answer. 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Okay. So now we have to add this one. Adding 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 on both sides, or you can write that one in a equation 1 also. In equation 1 also you can write. So what do you get then? 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus so on up to what? 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1. We have to add this one, no? That is what? Plus 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3, which is equal to, I'm writing here, down I'm writing that one, is equal to what we'll get? K times of 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3, and we have to add this one, no? What is that one? 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Correct? Correct or not? Correct? That k plus 1 term adding on both sides will get this one. Now take the LCM for this one. See, I'm continuing here that one RHS side I'm solving. I'm solving the RHS side. See, so just you multiply this one. 4k into 4k square is what? 4k cube plus 6k into k is what? 6k square minus k into 1 is k. Correct? Next, plus take the LCM. 3 is the LCM, no? 3 times of, here 3 is the LCM, no? That 3 I have to multiply here. Correct, right? 3 is the LCM. So 3 we have to multiply here. First you have to multiply 2k into 2k. How much it is? 4k square. Correct or not? 2k into 2k is 4k square. That is what? Similarly, see, 2k plus 3 is what? 2k into 3 is what? 6k. 6k. Then 1 into 2k is what? 2k. So if we add that one both, 6k plus 2k is what? 8k. Clear or not what I'm telling? Yes, nice. 8k. 2k into 3 is 6k plus 1 into 2k is 2k. It will become 8k. And the last one is what? 1 into 3 is what? 3. Divided by 3. Correct? Divided by 3. That same I'll continue here. Okay. So just solve this one. So k cube term only 1 is there. So I'm writing that one here. In this I'm continuing. 4k cube. Correct? 4k cube. Then you check here k square term. 6k square is there, and in this also is there. 3 into 4k square is what? 12k square, no? So 12k square plus 6k square is nothing but what? 18k square. Clear or not? 18k square. Then next one, minus k is there. Similarly, 8 3s are 24k. 24k minus k is nothing but what? Plus 23k. Correct? Correct or not? So minus k and 3 8s are 24k. 24k minus k is 23k. Correct? And the last one, 3 3s are 9. Good. 9 divided by what? 3. Divided by what? 3. Correct? Okay. Up to here, clear this one? Yes. Okay. See here, just I'm writing this one. This is the P of kth term. P of kth term equation. No, just I'm writing here. Okay. Just remember this one. Here I'm writing that one. K into 4k square plus 6k minus 1 by 3. This is the P of kth term. Just remember this one. P of kth term. I'll rub this one. Correct? So, but we got the answer for P of k plus 1 term is what? 4k cube plus 18k square plus 23k plus 9 by 3. Very important problem and very important step this one. Just listen carefully. See, 4k cube plus 18k square plus 23k plus 9 by 3 is there. But what I want the answer here? P of k plus 1. What I want the answer? In the place of k plus 1 I want, no? Correct or not? In the place of k, I want k plus 1. Correct? Yes, nice. K plus 1, no? So what I'm doing means, just check here. I'm taking k plus 1 outside. Just check this one. 4k cube plus 18k square plus 23k plus 9. Correct? Okay. So we know that we want the answer here k plus 1. So k plus 1 should be common, no? Correct or not? So what I'm doing, this equation I'm taking 4k cube plus 18k square plus 23k plus 9 I'm writing. By division method, I'm solving that one. Correct? So k plus 1 we want, no? So k plus 1 I'm writing. So to get the 0, till we get the 0, we have to solve this one. Okay? Just balance for this one. We want here 4k k cube, no? So just how to make this one 0, 4k cube. So here k is there. To balance this one, what you have to do? I have to multiply 4k square, no? To get a 4k cube, I have to multiply k with a 4k square or not? Correct? Clear or not? Clear? Yes. Okay. So just this one write down here, but here I want k plus 1 into term, no? So k plus 1 I'm writing. To get a 4k cube, I have to multiply k with what? 4k square. So 4k square into k is what? 4k cube. Got it? Next, plus 1 into 4k square is what? 4k square. Correct or not? Plus next, okay, till here we are solved. K into 4k square is 4k cube plus 1 into 4k square is what? 4k square. Then change the sign, plus become minus, then these two get cancelled, 4k cube and 4k cube, plus 4k cube and minus 4k cube get cancelled. Now check here, 18 minus 4 is what? 14x square. Right or not? 14k square. 14k square plus 23k plus 9. Till we get the 0, we have to solve, huh? Remember. So now we have to balance for 14k square. Yes. 14k square, no? Yes, right answer, right answer. So, yes, good, nice. We have to multiply what? Good, 14k. Nice, Namita and Narayan, good. So 14k we have to multiply here. So 14k into k is what? 14k square plus next 14k into 1 is what? 14k. Then change the sign here. Then 14 and 14 get cancels. So what I'll get here? 23 minus 14. 23 minus 14, how much? Yes, good. 9k plus 9. Now we have to balance for this one, last one step. Yes, good. We have to multiply it by 9. So we get what? 9k. 9 into k is 9k plus 9 into 1 is 9. Change the sign here and you'll get the answer here. Till we get the 0, we have to know. So I divided into two product, that one 4k cube plus 18k square. Huh? Just I'm writing here that one continuing. So k plus 1 into 4k square plus 14k plus 9. Clear? If you multiplied, no? See, if you multiplied, no, these two product, no, you'll get the same answer. By division rule, we solve that one. Clear? Got it? Any doubt on this one step? Yes, yes, good. Okay, now by 3 I'm writing, correct? But we want the answer as what? What do we want the answer? Just I'm writing here, the P of K plus 1th term should be what? In the place of K, K plus 1. Next, 4 in the place of K, K plus 1. Plus 16 in the place of K, K plus 1. And minus 1 divided by what? 3. This should be the answer, no? Correct? This should be the answer for P of K plus 1. P of K is there, no? Wherever the K is there, there we want K plus 1. Correct? Yes. K plus 1 into 4 times of K plus 1 the whole square plus 6 times of K plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Correct? If you simplify now this one, we'll get the same answer. If we simplify this one, we'll get the same answer. You can check here. If you simplify, 4, this one see, K plus 1 is outside. 4 into K plus 1 the whole square is what? K square plus 2K plus 1 plus this one is what? 6K plus 1. 6K plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Just check this one. You'll get same answer 4K square plus 14K or not. Yeah, synthetic only, but polynomial equation no it is. Synthetic division में, yeah, you can solve by synthetic also. Yeah, you can solve by synthetic method also, but you have to mention this one type. Algebraic polynomial equation they have given, no? Like this you have to write that one. Clear? Polynomial equation. Okay. So you can check, if you calculate this one, you get the same answer. It will be what? If I multiplied 4K square, this is here I'm continuing, 4K square plus 4 2s are 8. 8K plus 6K is nothing but what? 14K plus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 1 is what? 9. You can check the answer. It is same as this one. Correct or not? So what do you have to do? Just write down. Yes. Just we have to write this one as what? K plus 1 into 4 times of K plus 1 the whole square plus 6 times of K plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, clear? So we can write therefore P of K plus 1 is also true. Clear? So here only you got it that one. Just replace in the P of K is there, no? Just to replace K by K plus 1. That is the answer we want. Correct? That answer we want. Just you have to replace K as K plus 1. Clear? So using this method you have to solve. Okay? Any doubt? Any doubt on this one problem? Just what you have to do, just replace that one. What is there? No? Directly you can write them. But when you have to mention this one step. Huh? So how we get this one? Like by division method only. Okay. Clear, no? Yes. Okay. Nice. Okay. In the same way, huh? Like this you have to remember, huh? In the same way we have to solve the next problem. We have to solve the next problem. Can anyone solve and tell me the answer for this one? Small problem it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on up to 1 by 2 to the power of n, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of n. So the problem is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on up to 1 by 2 to the power of n, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of n. Okay, so right, I'll solve that one. What you have to do? First we have to consider this one as what? P of n. Correct or not? Same problem. Huh? We have to prove that by using what? Principle of mathematical induction. Again, I'm not mentioning that one. Clear? Okay, this is the problem. That problem we have to consider as what? P of n. Okay, P of 1 is 1 by 2. It's correct, Ritika. So, for n is equal to what? 1 we have to take. So, P of 1 is what? 1 by 2, which is equal to, here if you put 1, no, 1 by 2 remaining. 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. So, here LHS side is equal to what? RHS side. It means P of 1 is what? True. Right or not? P of 1 is what? True. Yes, right. Yes, correct. So similarly what? We assume that what? Same type, second case, we assume that what? P of k is true. When it is true? For n equal to k. Just replace n by what? K. So what do you get then? P of k 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus so on up to what? 1 by 2 to the power of k, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of k. Okay. We'll check the answer. We'll check the answer. Okay. Then, now we have to prove that P of k plus 1 is also true, no? K plus 1 is also true. It means we have to go for kth term. The kth term is 1 by 2 to the power of k. Similarly, what is the k plus 1th term? That is 1 by 2 to the power of k plus 1. Correct or not? 1 by 2 to the power of s. Correct. The kth term is 1 by 2 to the power of k. Then k plus 1 the term is what? 1 by 2 to the power of k plus 1. So just add that one on both sides. Add on both sides. Correct. So this one you have to add on both sides. Kth term. K plus 1th term. So it become what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. That's so on up to what? 1 by 2 to the power of k. And we have to add the k plus 1th term, that is 1 by 2 to the power of k plus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of k plus, we have to add what? 1 by 2 to the power of k plus 1. Correct or not? K plus 1. Now check here. 1 I am writing as it is. Okay. Here what I am doing is 1 minus 2 to the power of k plus 1 divided by, here I am going to apply the laws of indices. 2 to the power of k plus 1, we write as what? 2 into 2 to the power of k. Correct? 2 into 2 to the power of k, that is nothing but 2 to the power of k plus 1, no? Then take a common here. 1 minus, so 1 by 2 to the power of k is common. What is remaining then? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Correct? Minus 1, sorry, here minus I have taken already common, no? So 1 minus 1 by 2. Correct? 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. Right answer, that is, the answer is what? 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power of k, that is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power of k plus 1. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. You can check the answer here. 1 is there, minus 1 by, in the place of k plus 1 we want, no? So 2 to the power of k plus 1. So like this, you take 1 by 2 to the power of k as a common. Okay, got it? Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Okay, you have to mention this.